Tattooing on fake skin. We need silicone fake skin, tattoo machine, ink cups, tattoo inks, tattoo needles, and your design. Let's begin. Clean the surface and place your design on the pad. Put some stencil solution and let it dry in a sec. Slowly place your design stencil on your fake skin pad. Make sure you put properly your stencil to avoid smudge. Take a tissue and press it gently to stick the stencil on your fake skin. After a few minutes, just let it dry. Now it's ready. This time I prepare 4 pieces medium ink cups for my inks. First ink cups pure black 100%. Second ink cups I use already mix opaque gray. Third ink cups 70% opaque gray and 30% water. Fourth ink cups 30% opaque gray and 70% water. Mix it well. If you don't have opaque gray color inks, you can mix your own opaque gray. In this process I let my needle 1.5 mm out of the tip. I use 5 round liner needle on the whole process. And now, it's ready. See, I put Vaseline side on the pad so I can easily use it every time I draw ink on the pad when needed. On the real skin you need to apply small amount of it to rub it on the skin. Even if it's fake skin, much better to practice the procedure for the whole tattoo session. When you apply Vaseline every time you draw ink, it helps to remove easily excess ink on the pad. To clean your fake skin you need to put Vaseline on it to clean it so your fake skin will be clean after your tattoo practice. Hope you enjoy the process. Good luck to your journey. Remember, practice doesn't make perfect, but perfect practice makes perfect. Don't forget to like and share. Follow for more.